Stop sneezes instantly. You can actually stop a sneeze in its tracks by pressing your tongue hard against the roof of your mouth. That's right, no more embarrassing mid-conversation sneezes or scrambling for tissues when you feel the tickle coming on. Most people think sneezing is unstoppable, but it's just a reflex, and you can trick your brain out of it. The pressure from your tongue interrupts the signal that tells your body to launch a sneeze. It's like hitting the pause button on your own nervous system. This hack works because the roof of your mouth is packed with nerve endings linked to the sneeze reflex. When you press your tongue up there, it distracts those nerves and essentially confuses the whole process. You might actually feel the urge dissolve in seconds. So next time you feel that sneeze building, don't just brace yourself, take control. Press your tongue up firmly, and watch the sneeze vanish before it ever has the chance to explode.